Ready to plan your dream trip step by step? Today, we're going to walk through how to craft the perfect trip for you, from the very first idea to the moment you pack your bags. Planning a trip can feel overwhelming, but with a clear plan, it's actually a lot of fun. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose the right destination for you.
The perfect trip starts with picking a place that fits your interests and needs. Think about what excites you. Is it relaxing on a beach, exploring museums, or maybe a scenic mountain getaway? Also think about who might join you on this adventure. Going solo, with a partner, or in a tour group. This choice will shape some of your planning and what makes you most comfortable. Be honest about your comfort too. How much walking do you want, and what kind of weather suits you? Very hot or very cold weather can be hard on us, so maybe choose a mild season for your trip. Once you have a destination in mind, consider the time of year. Do you want to travel when it's warm and sunny, or would you prefer cooler weather and fewer crowds? Pick a time that works for you and any travel buddies.
Step number 2. Plan your itinerary, but keep it flexible.
Now the fun part, figuring out what you'll do each day. Start by listing a few must-see or must-do things at your destination. Then spread them out over your trip so you're not overscheduled. A good rule of thumb is to plan just one big activity per day, especially if it involves a lot of walking or a long excursion. Maybe do a tour in the morning and keep the afternoon light. Have a nice lunch and a rest, or just people watch at a cafe. Build in rest time. You deserve it, and it will keep you feeling good throughout the trip. If you want to do multiple things in a day, try to mix active and relaxing activities. For instance, you might follow a busy morning sightseeing with a quiet evening enjoying a sunset or listening to local music. The key is, don't cram so much in that you need a vacation from your vacation. Leave a little wiggle room for spontaneous fun or the occasional lazy morning.
Step number 3. Book senior-friendly accommodations and transport.
Where you stay can make or break your trip, so let's make sure it's comfortable. Look for hotels or rentals with the amenities you need. For many seniors, that means things like an elevator or a ground floor room, a walk-in shower, and maybe grab bars in the bathroom. Location is also important. Staying close to the sites or in a safe, walkable area can save you energy and taxi money. Don't hesitate to call the hotel to ask about things like elevators, steps, or room locations. Most places are happy to help. When it comes to flights or trains, try to arrange schedules that aren't too grueling. A longer layover is better than a mad dash through a huge airport. If you're driving, plan out rest stops so you can stretch your legs every couple of hours. The idea is to set yourself up for comfort from start to finish.
Step number 4. Get your documents and money in order.
This is a step people often skip until the last minute, but it's vital. First, make sure your passport is up to date. Many countries want at least 6 months validity beyond your trip. Next, make photocopies or phone photos of your important documents, passport, ID, insurance cards. Keep one set with you, separate from the originals, and leave another with a family member at home, along with a copy of your itinerary. Also carry a small card with emergency contact numbers, a family member back home, and your hotel's number or address. Finally, let your bank and credit card company know about your trip so your cards work when you're abroad. Plan how you'll pay. Cards are convenient, but keep some cash for small purchases. ATMs are usually the easiest way to get local currency.
And step number 5, pack and prepare your health needs.
Time to think about what goes in your suitcase and what goes in your carry-on. Start with your medications. Pack more than enough for the whole trip, ideally a few extra days worth in case of delays. Always put your medications in your carry-on bag, not in checked luggage. Keep them in original bottles if possible, and carry a list of your medications and doses with you, just in case. If you have health devices like a CPAP machine or hearing aids, pack any batteries or adapters you need. Bring comfort items to make travel easier, for example, compression socks for a long flight, a neck pillow, or a light blanket or shawl. It's also smart to pack a small first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic, and any pain relievers or remedies you might need. Don't forget travel insurance. Travel insurance is highly recommended for senior travelers. It can cover unexpected medical needs abroad and trip cancellations. Especially since Medicare typically doesn't cover you abroad, having travel insurance gives peace of mind.
Number 6, embrace technology and support. Make it your friend.
Last but not least, make use of tools and help to make your trip easier. Before you go, consider using a few helpful smartphone tools. For example, Google Maps for directions. You can save maps offline. A translation app to help with language, and your airline's app for flight updates. If you're not techie, that's okay. Maybe ask a family member to show you the basics or even help you book parts of your trip. And remember, you don't have to do everything alone.
And ask for help if you need it. You might consult a travel agent or get advice from friends who travel.
For example, our team offers free travel planning calls through the Where to Next form to guide you, so feel free to get expert help. Once you're on your trip, don't hesitate to ask locals or hotel staff for recommendations or assistance. Most people are happy to help a friendly visitor. Use whatever level of tech and support you like, whatever reduces stress and increases enjoyment.
There you have it. Your trip planning step from start to finish. You choose a destination, set up a comfy itinerary, book the right stuff, got your papers and meds ready, and lined up all the help you need. Now give yourself a pat on the back.
The groundwork is done, and you can head out on your adventure with confidence. Imagine yourself boarding that plane or starting that road trip, knowing you've got everything handled. That's a great feeling, and you've earned it by planning ahead.
All right, folks, before you run off to pack, Customer Care Manager Max here. I've got a friendly reminder. If you want some help double-checking those plans or even doing the heavy lifting on trip planning, just scan the QR code or call 6892-299-724 to fill out our Where to Next form. You'll get a free trip planning call with our team to make sure your next vacation is fantastic. Plus, you'll be entered for a chance to win a free trip. How awesome is that?
Thank you, Max. And I'll make sure to pack your doggy treats the next time we go. And thank you for everyone for joining me in this planning session. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. You can travel with more confidence and ease and truly focus on the joy of the journey, wherever your next trip takes you. I wish you safe travels and amazing memories. Bon voyage.